Hey, you see that girl? You see that guy? If he or she is not the expectation, is not what you expect in bed, if he or she is not meeting to your expectations in bed, dump them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Gracious. Today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should dump your girlfriend if she is not meeting up to your expectations in the bedroom. You shouldn't feel bad if you have to dump your girlfriend. If you've been thinking about dumping her because she's not meeting up to your expectation and she's not even willing to learn, dump her. Period. 5 reasons why it is okay to dump a partner who is terrible in bed. There are so many videos out there, especially here on YouTube, that teaches you how to have a great love life, that teaches you how to get better in bed. This is a subject, a topic that we find it very difficult to talk about. So many people get married and they still go out cheating on their partners because maybe they found a good wife in them, lovely shape in them, peace of mind in them, but when it comes to the bedroom, they are zero. And you know you love it when you are in the bedroom and your woman is not meeting up to that expectation. She's not giving you that. This is something you signed up for the rest of your life. You will see a nice, lovely girl, very beautiful, very curvy. She can cook, but you still see divorce happening. And you keep asking yourself, why? So many people divorce because they are not satisfied in the bedroom, and that is why there are educations that teach you how to get better in bed. Now, if you would help yourself with such teachings and put it into practice, your marriage is going to be better in case if it is what is ruining that marriage. So many of us think that the matters of the bedroom is not what we need to talk about. Now, I have a video that I made. I saw a comment of someone saying, you don't need to teach people how to have sex. That once there is love, it flows naturally. Really, I have had a relationship whereby I love this guy so much, and this guy loves me like real bad. But he's terrible in bed. There was love, there was connection. But when it comes to the bedroom, you don't know how to do it, you don't know how to do it. It becomes terrible. The love did not teach him how to do it best. So I don't think it's right to say when there is love that the love will flow. So if there is love, you will automatically know how to have sex very well, right? It doesn't happen that way. This is an education we need to talk about, okay? This helps so many homes to get back together. Now let me give you the reasons why you should dump her. These are top 5 reasons why it is okay to dump a partner who is terrible in bed. 5 good reasons why you should never feel bad for dumping your partner who sucks at sex. For many, these are questions that they have never quite found the right answers to. In a relationship landscape where sex is perceived as overrated in some quarters and super important in others, the confusion is understandable. Here is the thing though, when done right, sex is so powerful and really instrumental when talking about ways to consolidate emotional connection and romantic bonds between partners. So it is very important to be with someone who gets it right and rocks your world at all times. If you somehow meet someone who is great at all things but bad at sex and you can't just bear the relationship, here are a few reasons why you should never feel bad for getting out or wanting to. Number 1 reason, you deserve great sex. It is not shallow to want to have a decent sex life. It is human instinct. It is like wanting food and water. Okay, maybe not that essential to life, but really, it is pretty close. The second is that you will be miserable in a relationship without it. Sexual compatibility and having sex life that is not up to scratch can, over an extended period, make for a seriously miserable existence. You really do not need this. And no, I'm not exaggerating. The third reason, it always leads to resentment. How can anyone not begin to harbor resentment towards someone who knows they're unhappy but doesn't want to do anything about it? 4. There is a risk of emotional damage. Sex is an incredibly powerful and compelling urge in humans. Suppressing that urge because your partner has issues, or even worse, going along with sexual acts that makes you unhappy in order to please a partner risks long-term emotional damage. The 5th point, life is too short to be getting trash sex. Tomorrow is not assured, you know. Just get the best of the sexual satisfaction you can get today, right here and right now. And if your boo can't ever assure you of that, there is no reason why you should feel bad for wanting out. Now, this message I just passed is not just men dumping women. Some ladies, we have terrible sex partners, but because of the money they have, we keep on managing, but we keep going out to get it. If you know you can't do without it, and your partner is terrible at it, whether you're a man or a woman, I think you should pull out. Tell them what you want, and if they're not doing anything to help the situation, I think it's time to opt out, baby girl, baby boy. It is time to say bye-bye, because life is too short to be managing things, right? Now, this video is not to make you destroy or spoil the beautiful relationship you've started. But if you've been thinking over the years that your partner is not good in bed, that you are getting trash sex, and you want to do something about it, the best thing you can do is communication. Communication is very important. Communicate with your partner and tell him or her what you feel. Tell them what you want. Make sure that they are going out of their way to make the situation improved. But if they're not doing anything about it, baby girl, baby boy, they don't care about you and they don't deserve you. I think it's time to opt out. But if you're someone that you don't care about sex, you don't care about it, your partner is not good, but it doesn't bother you at all, now it's fine to stay in that relationship because you don't care about it. So all right, enough of my toxic advice. If you love this video, you love my content, and you want me to keep creating such content, kindly let me know by hitting on that subscribe button. Help my channel to grow by subscribing, sharing my video, like the video, leave a comment, engage with the video so that it will reach a wider audience. I'm going to see you in my next video, definitely, because I upload videos here 2 times in a week. So you're sure to be seeing my face sooner than later.